on marshmallows.
We're doing Chubby Bunny with mustaches on.
Ow!
Fat rabbit.
Conejito para sofrito.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Dude, you look like Hitler.
Lucky? Oh, me?
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny?
Dude, how many did you just stick in your fucking mouth?
Ready? Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do this.
1, 2, 3.
Fluffy Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Fluffy. I've been saying Fluffy this whole fucking movie.
Here, take some. Here, take some.
Chubby
Chubby
Bunny.
Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
This is a good moment to have like a ginormous fucking mouth.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. And I can't do it.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Me neither.
Oh, yeah. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Dude, that was awesome of you. I got you double in your mouth. And your hair is off the hook. You got like Marge Simpson going on over here.
Chubby Bunny.
I'm
Put
sorry.
my mouth anymore.
I know, I'm sorry, I'm coming.
Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby
I
Bunny.
just had to take a picture of this. They added glasses.
I look better.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Now she looks like a cool Hitler.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Hitler.
Did she say Hitler? Look at Marge Simpson back there.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Marge Simpson lost it.
What's this?
Marge Simpson. Come here, wait till you see the pictures. Your hair's like this.
Chubby Bunny.
Oh my gosh, I had hella room.
I'm sorry, hon. Look it. Oh, okay, look at the picture. Tell me she don't have no Marge Simpson hair going on. Right?
Hey, don't fix my mustache though.
Oh. Dude, totally Marge Simpson hair. You see it.
Keep trying to swallow that.
That was the most disgusting shit in my
Yeah,
life.
hun, you got Marge Simpson hair. Just own it.
Oh,
Right there.
Throw
Marge
that
Simpson.
away.
You see your friend has Marge Simpson hair? Dude, she's wearing your cute nerdy glasses. Hey, if I have to pay for cover, I don't care. I know you heard me. Oh, I won't.
Change because I stepped outside. I need to wear jeans.
Are you okay? I lost my cold water. I keep losing my waters.
Her cold was you lost her cold.
That was yours because you were sitting there.
You embarrassed
By the
yourself
gummy
over
worms
there.
of yours, Serena. What? That's
Marge
yours by the gummy
Simpson
worms.
wasn't ready.
Never again.
Okay.
I've never
wearing
eaten
you guys.
marshmallows.
No, mine is cool.
I was like,
Ew, I'm eating these. Ew.
Get your chair the fuck away from me.
You're a nasty bitch. You're a nasty.
oh my god, Alexis,
You
I can't
ate
believe
her spit of marshmallows. Thank God that's on video.